Welcome to the UI Designer Career Guide. In this video, we'll explore what it means to be a UI designer, the skills you need, the tools you'll use, and how to start your journey in this creative and rewarding field. UI designers create beautiful and functional interfaces that millions of users interact with every single day. A UI designer creates visual designs for digital products. This means designing the look and layout of websites, mobile apps, and software that people use every day. UI designers focus on making interfaces that are not just beautiful, but also easy to use. They work to understand what users need and create designs that serve those needs. They ensure visual consistency across all platforms and maintain brand identity throughout their designs. Essentially, UI designers bridge the gap between what a product does and how users experience it visually. To become a successful UI designer, you need 3 key skill areas. First, you must be proficient in design tools like Figma, Adobe XD, or Sketch. These are the software applications where you'll spend most of your time creating designs. Second, you need strong knowledge of visual design principles including color theory, typography, spacing, and composition. Understanding how these elements work together creates professional and appealing designs. Third, you should have both UX and UI knowledge. This means understanding how interfaces should work functionally while also making them visually appealing. All 3 skills work together to make you an effective UI designer. Beyond the core design skills, UI designers need both technical and soft skills. Technical skills include mastery of design software, understanding basic HTML and CSS, creating wireframes and prototypes, and building design systems with reusable components. Soft skills are equally important. You need excellent communication to explain your design decisions to team members. Problem-solving abilities help you find creative solutions to design challenges. Attention to detail ensures your designs are pixel-perfect and professional. Finally, creative thinking and innovation help you develop fresh ideas that stand out. Together, these technical and soft skills make you a well-rounded designer. Several design tools dominate the industry today. Figma is a cloud-based platform that allows multiple designers to work together on the same project in real time. Adobe XD is a professional tool from the Adobe suite specifically built for designing user experiences. Sketch is popular among designers working on Mac computers and is known for its powerful design capabilities. The Adobe Creative Suite includes Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, which are industry standards for creating visual assets. Protopie is specialized for creating interactive prototypes that feel like real applications. Webflow allows you to design and build websites without writing code. Each tool has unique strengths, and many designers learn multiple tools throughout their careers. 3 core principles guide all UI design work. Clarity and simplicity means keeping your interfaces clean and intuitive. Every element on the screen should have a purpose. Remove anything that doesn't serve the user. Balance and hierarchy involves organizing your design elements so users naturally know where to look first. Use size, color, and position to guide attention. Create visual harmony by balancing different elements on the screen. Color and contrast means using color strategically. Color makes interfaces beautiful and guides user behavior. Sufficient contrast between text and background ensures readability. Understanding color psychology helps you set the right mood for your application. These 3 principles form the foundation of professional UI design. The UI design process follows a structured approach with 4 main stages. Research is the first step where you understand your users deeply. Study their needs, pain points, and the context in which they'll use your product. Next comes wireframing, where you create low-fidelity layouts that show how content and interactions will be organized. Wireframes are simple and focus on structure rather than visual design. The third stage is visual design, where you apply color, typography, images, and all the visual elements to create the final look and feel. Finally, prototyping involves building interactive mock-ups so you can test how the design actually works. You'll get user feedback and iterate based on what you learn. This process ensures your final design is both beautiful and functional. In your day-to-day work as a UI designer, you'll spend time designing user interfaces. You'll create mock-ups and detailed designs for websites and mobile applications. You'll collaborate closely with product managers, developers, and UX researchers. These conversations help ensure everyone understands the design vision and can work together effectively. You'll also iterate on designs based on feedback. This means taking input from users, managers, and team members, then refining your designs to make them better. Design is rarely perfect on the first try. The ability to accept feedback and improve your work is crucial. You'll also contribute to design systems, ensuring consistency across all products your company creates. Your career as a UI designer has many growth paths. You can become a senior UI designer with more responsibility and higher pay. You might move into leadership as a design lead or design manager overseeing other designers. You could transition to product designer, taking on broader responsibility for entire product experiences. You might specialize in design systems, creating the frameworks that help teams design consistently. The salary for UI designers is competitive and continues to grow with experience. Many companies offer remote work opportunities, allowing you to work from anywhere. You'll have access to continuous learning support to keep your skills current. Many positions offer flexible work arrangements so you can balance your professional and personal life. The combination of good pay, creative work, and flexibility makes UI design an attractive career. To start your UI design career, follow 3 key steps. First, learn design fundamentals. Study color theory, typography, layout, and composition. Understand the principles that make good design work. Second, master design tools. Pick 1 or 2 tools like Figma and become proficient with them. The more comfortable you are with your tools, the faster you can bring your ideas to life. Third, build your portfolio. Create real projects or redesign existing applications to showcase your skills. Your portfolio is what employers and clients will evaluate to decide if you're the right fit. Remember, as a UI designer, your creativity directly shapes the digital experiences that millions of users interact with every single day. Your work matters and impacts how people experience technology.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.